Today we're going to see a super added customization about a Trek theme in your Total Launcher. So how to customize this theme and how to get this type of UI experience on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button video. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, download the Trek theme Total Launcher from the Play Store. Then you just need to download this Total Launcher from the Play Store. So after downloading it, you can see this is the Total Launcher. So you have to swipe sideways and long press it for editing. You can just click on this menu option and you can just choose the theme from here. If you can't find the Trek theme here, you just go inside the app section, click on this and just type as T and just select the Trek theme. Then you just want to select the layout. There is a lot of different layout for different screen. Select it and click on the apply option. So the theme will click on OK, then the theme will be applied. So you can see this is the super high-tech theme which you can just use it on your Total Launcher. You can see everything has a so techy, and you can just click on the utility. You can see the different of transition and also the lightings. You can just click on the everything. It will be open as a folder like this with a sound effect. So here you just click on the system. So here you can find all the recipe of the options like RAM, percentage, brightness, everything. And you can just also add application widget if you just needed. And also click on the media, so you can find our media widgets, and click on the utility. You can find all the utilities that you just needed, like Keep and Drive. And also here just click on this. Here you can find all the social media platforms, and here you can see SMS and everything has been customized. Click on this for making a different UI. This is how you just install this high-tech launcher on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.